Hello, and welcome to SRK, the self-service analysis engine in the cloud. SRK is an alternative for business users to IT-centric BI tools or spreadsheet analysis, and for Salesforce customers, provide a simple solution to getting your reports and analysis done quickly and easily without exporting your data into Excel or an IT-supplied BI tool. Instead, you can do your analysis with SRK all while working inside Salesforce. With SRK, you can import your Salesforce reports or summary data already produced by your ERP, CRM, or other systems to create your business-critical analysis. In the next 10 minutes of this video, we're going to show you how SRK can empower you to control your own analysis by placing the power in the hands of business users just like you. Let's get started. There are 3 steps in this video that will guide you through an example of building your first analysis with SRK inside Salesforce, starting from importing data, then creating analysis, and lastly, design your own custom dashboards. First, import data. We'll import an opportunity report into SRK and store it in a data series, which is where SRK stores data. You can simply think of data series as a database table or a spreadsheet. Then, once the data is in the data series, you can use it to create views, which is where you can select and combine pieces of data to create just-in-time analysis. Last step is to create a page in SRK, which is a dashboard that you can design to provide real-time insights into operations. Okay, let's get started. Click on your Reports tab above. We're going to choose an opportunity report on Salesforce to import. You can choose your own opportunity report you have on Salesforce already. Just make sure you have the following fields included: opportunity name, owner, from stage, to stage, and probability. Lastly, make sure to customize this report into tabular form before we continue. SRK can import data from different sources. Therefore, if you do not have a Salesforce report available for import, you can simply download the demonstration data down below. It is an opportunity report in CSV format which we created for this guide. Next, click on the Analytics tab to return to SRK homepage. Create an organization to own your analysis. To do this, simply click on Create an Organization and enter Salesforce Pipeline. You can see Salesforce Pipeline listed below your organization now. You are ready for step 1, import data. Click on the Import tab following the Express Import. Then choose Create New Data Series and enter Opportunity Report as the title. If you are importing your data from Salesforce, select From Salesforce.com Reports and choose your Opportunity Report. If you are importing the sample data we provided, select the file you downloaded earlier. Click Import once you have chosen your file. Your opportunity report is now imported into SRK's data series. Step 2 is to create a just-in-time analysis by creating views. Simply scroll down and click on Add New View. To create your view, first choose which data series are required for the view add. Let's choose Opportunity Reports. Our main goal for creating this view is to show us the activities of all the pipelines. We want SRK to provide an analysis that shows how many pipeline stages are moving up, which means increasing probability of business opportunity. Moving down, decreasing probability of business opportunity, or stay the same, meaning there were no changes in stage activity. First, select which data fields your analysis is required to have. Let's choose opportunity name, owner, from stage, to stage, and probability. Next, we are going to create our 4 compute fields. The first compute field will be count in order to help us keep track of how many pipeline activities we have. Type in the name count, then select integer as its type. Lastly, let's choose 1 to record each activity as a 1 value. Next will be the probability from stage, since our original data only had the probabilities from the to stage. Type in from probability. Choose single line text as your type. If you are using your own opportunity report from Salesforce, make sure which stages you have and what their probability values are. If you are using the sample data we provided, please enter the exact information you see on the screen. If you want to understand more about patterns, click Regular Expression Tutorial for more information. Now, first choose From Stage as your source. Then enter the pattern you will want to match the result you desire. For example, our prospecting stage we want to equal to 10%. So we put the pattern #caret, then enter which stage, which is prospecting stage, then close it off with $#, and we want the result to be 10%, which is 0.1. Do this for all your stages. In order to know if the stages are moving up or down in opportunity, we want to find the percentages difference of the stages. That brings us to our third compute field. Type in step value, choose number, then put in the formula probability minus the compute field which we just made from probability. Lastly, still without any programming, we want to correlate the step values to the phrases moving up, moving down, or stay the same. Type in status, then choose single line text. Same as before, choose your source. For this case, we choose the compute field we just made, step value. We want to match the values from this step value column with the stages. If the value is positive, that means it is moving up. Negative means moving down. 0 means the stage stayed the same. Before completing this view, give it a name. Let's call it Detail Probability View. Within minutes, you have created your first view. You are able to create an analysis that can show if your business opportunities are progressing or regressing. As long as you are familiar with your spreadsheet or report analysis, using SRK will be a piece of cake for you. Click here to expand your data. To add graphic visualization, let's create a chart for your analysis. Scroll down until you see Chart Options. Then select Pie Chart for chart type, Count for the field, and Status for Group By. Now you have a chart that can easily show how many of your business opportunities are progressing, regressing, or stay the same. Let's give it a name. Pipeline Status Percentages, and create another view now. Remember, hide your data and click Save View Settings before leaving. Next, we want to create another view that shows a more detailed graph. We want to know, for all the stages that moved up or down, how much did each owner contribute to this movement? Let's go back to our Opportunity Summary data series and repeat the steps. Same as before, scroll down and select Add New View. However, this time, instead of selecting data fields from the data series, we're going to choose View Detailed Probability View that we just created as a data source. For this view, we don't need all the fields. SRK lets you select just what is needed for your analysis. So select the fields Opportunity Name, Owner, From Stage, To Stage, Count, and Status. Give it a name, Pipeline Status Details, and save. Just like that, you create another view. By now, you have also learned that data sources for your analysis can be either data series or view or a combination of both. This capability provides great power and flexibility in creating your analysis. Again, expand your entries and let's add real-time visualization into our analysis. This time, use a standard bar chart, choose count for our y-axis, and status for our x-axis, owner for group by, and we can also add a threshold to monitor and notify us when the minimum profit target is accomplished. Now you have a chart showing more details on how much each owner is moving stages up or down. Lastly, give the graph the name, Pipeline Status by Owner. Remember, before moving on, let's hide the data and click Save View Settings. Once you create the views from the analysis, you can now display a real-time multiple charts and tables all on a dashboard or page in SRK, which takes us into our last of 3 steps of creating your SRK analysis. Let's go back to our organization homepage, Salesforce Pipeline, and create a page. Click the New tab and select Page. Click the open space below Menu 1, Now you can enter your title for your menu. Let's call it Sales. Click Views, then search and select the views you have created. You can leave the bottom 2 spaces for future use. Enter Pipeline Analysis as your page name and click Add. Congratulations! You have just created your first SRK analysis in Salesforce. Building your own analysis is just the beginning. When you include coworkers or management staff in your organization, SRK provides also the ability to collaborate on the results of your analysis in real time by seamlessly integrating SRK with Salesforce social tools. SRK uses Salesforce Shadow for alerts, notification, comments, and tasks, and can update your Salesforce calendar automatically with the tasks and schedules. Users can apply access control by roles and responsibilities, share running commentary, assign tasks, notify and alert if thresholds are reached. Last but not least, SRK Cloud-Based Computing Service is a monthly subscription model. To use SRK, customers are not required to purchase software and hardware infrastructure, implement IT components, or do any programming. As a result, enterprises can create self-service-centric and actionable-oriented business analysis at a fraction of time and cost compared to using IT-centric business intelligence tools. If you have any questions or need assistance, simply click on Support and send us an email. Thank you.